Hi, so this is test number 1. Call CVS.
How can I help you?
Have you called the doctor yet? I want to know if my refill is finished
Give me your full name.
and I can pick up my prescription. Sorry, the interpreter made a mistake and is going to watch that again.
Great. I see it now. Super. Okay.
Marnie Walden, 6/22/1987.
Great. I see it now.
So the doctor diagnosed me as depressed and prescribed me a Prozac. But I haven't necessarily noticed that I'm depressed. Have you noticed that I'm depressed?
Oh, I see. Do you have any questions about this medication?
Yes, I do. My sister, who was 14 at the time, took the same pill, and she actually did not improve much. She was still very depressed and sad a lot. She actually got a little bit worse, so much so that she self-harmed. And they had to take her to the hospital and admit her for an entire month until she was finally able to go home. She's fine now. She's on different medicine, so it's okay, but
Have you talked to your doctor about this?
yes, I have. I asked my doctor if the same thing that happened to my sister will happen to me. And the doctor said, no. Your sister was very young, so when she started taking the pill, things happened because of that. But you're a grown adult, so it's going to be different. Oh, okay, is what I thought. I mean, still a little scared, of course, because I don't know about the pill. I'm really on the fence, but how do you feel about the pill? Should I be taking Prozac? What do you think?
That is up to you and your doctor. If you're still uncertain, I would contact your doctor again.
Oh, no, that's okay. My doctor and I already talked, and he told me to go ahead and take the pill for 4 whole weeks and see if I am doing better. So, I tend to worry a lot and jump to conclusions, which, of course, is why I asked and need to sort of take a step back and breathe sometimes and
Okay.
watch.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, when should I take the pill? For example, mornings or nights?
Good morning.
Okay. So first I will eat my breakfast and then take the
That's not
pill?
necessary.
Sometimes I know that different medications, such as pills, will give you different side effects. Do you think that will happen?
Yes, those are possible side effects, and if that occurs, contact your doctor right away. Do you have any other medicines to fill?
Yes, I do actually. 7863. Sorry, the interpreter is going to watch that again. So it's 78563 is the RX number for another prescription I need to fill.
Okay, I don't have
Oh, I was wrong. 78566. Sorry. My glasses are very old. I definitely need some new ones. My money is tight right now, so I'm sorry.
That's okay. Yes, I found it.
Can I pick it up now?
We can have it ready for you in an hour.
All right, today I'm pretty busy. But I think I can go after my daughter's school.
See you in an hour. Thank you.
Thank you very much.